Grazie galera! We just had another amazing chat. All Tuesdays we've been meeting and chatting about photography, life in isolation, and how to keep ourselves creative and our creative juices flowing and producing some different work. And it just came to me that something that I found by accident was actually not so known. Some of the big name blogs were just happy that Instagram finally allowed us to write and read messages using the desktop app. And there's actually a way to post images and videos on Instagram using your computer. And I found that by accident. I was changing some things in my website and I forgot the developer mode on, and suddenly I had a button to post images. And so I decided to share with you guys what we discussed and how I showed our group how to do that using your computer. So you'll see how to do that in detail in many web browsers in the following. And tell me what you think, if you want some more tips like that, or if you like this one, don't like this one, have some different ideas of how to do it, share that with us. We would love to see that. And if you like what we do and how we chat all Tuesdays while we are here in lockdown, uh, try to join. You have the links below in the comments. How and you find how to join us and participate. We have our next photo challenge starting today, so it would be amazing to have you all with us. I hope to see you all soon. Stay safe, stay at home, and we see each other on next Tuesday. Just enable some developer options and then you simulate a mobile device. No worries, Lino, don't kick me yet. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. And then if you're using Chrome, you need to refresh the page. But how that happens, this is just so we can have that in the blog post tomorrow if anybody needs to go there and find it again. But I can show you how that's done in each of the browsers. So what you need to do basically, you go to the top right corner. I don't know if you guys can see, it's very, very small, the pointer there. You go to the top right corner and you can find this more tools or web developer. And inside that is the secret to do that. So I will share with you the browsers. Just a second. Let's start with the easier one, which is Edge. How many of you still use Internet Explorer?
What's that?
Thank you, thank you. In the end, I will show you how you do with Internet Explorer because it's really special. So I'm trying to make it a little bit bigger because it's really tiny. And hopefully you can see it a little bit better. So if you go there on the top right corner, you can find the more tools and then the developer tools. I mean, oh no, sorry, this one is the easier one. Where is that? And then you come here and you simulate, not a desktop. Can you see it there on the top right corner?
Yes.
You just simulate, instead of a desktop, you simulate a phone. And then it's going to reload it. And you can change the resolution a little bit if you need that, so you can see it better. And then you already have here the option to post your image.
That's good. Yes. It's very good.
So this is for Edge. If you want to do that on Chrome, it is very similar. If I can find the window here, okay, on Chrome. And maybe too big. You can just go up there again and you go for the more tools, developer tools. And on top here, you have this little icon that is toggle device. Or you can just go Ctrl-Shift-M. And then it's going to give you this little bar here on top. I don't know if you can see that it's really tiny, but here you can just select mobile. And then it gives you here the option to post it.
That's good.
And the last one from the browsers that I'm going to show you guys is Firefox, but it's exactly the same. You just go there to the upper right corner, web developer, and then you have the responsive design mode. And you can just select up here, what is the resolution that you want? And then you select the phone, for an example, iPhone X. And then you have to reload the page or refresh the page. And you have here the option to post. You can make it way bigger. It's just too small. You can make it like as big as you want. So it's really stupid easy, but it helps so much in my case. So that's why I thought I would share it with you guys. And if you need to go back to these ideas, I have them all in this presentation. It's going to be on the blog post tomorrow with each and every of the browsers. And for people still using Internet Explorer, there's a very cool way that you can do that too with Internet Explorer. And it is like this. You go to Google and you ask how you download a better browser because Internet Explorer sucks.